Hello, good morning, children. Hi, how are you all? I hope everyone very well. Yes, children? Okay, so today we have to start our class with a new thought. Okay, children, what is that? Yes, see here. Today is the day to learn something new. Understand? Today is the day to learn something new. Understand? So what you have to do daily, every day is a God gift, children. So you have to be used carefully, and every day you have to learn something new. Understand, children? So every day it is a special. So every day, not only see, today is the day to learn something new. Okay, now today, so you have to learn something. Once before sleep, you have to once remember what you learned today in your life. Every day is important for you, not for you, for all. So you have to think once what you learn today. You learn anything, yes or no, whatever it is. One also no problem, but you have to once you have to remember before going to bed. Once you have to remember what you learned today. Understand, children? So daily you have to, if you are learning something, one new word also, in 365 days you will learn 365 words. For example, so first you have to remember daily every day. When you will start the day, you have to learn anything, whatever it is, but you have to learn something new. That is a new. Okay, children. So next, come to the point. Okay, what we learn in our, yes, our 7th lesson is over, no? Yes or no, children? Yes. What you learn in that lesson? What makes things? Yes or no? What makes things? So our lesson is completed. So once we have to recite. Okay, again we have to revise that lesson briefly. Again once I'll explain you. Okay, listen carefully, children. Okay, don't waste your time, and you have to listen carefully. And notes I'll send in WhatsApp. You have to finish, you have to write in homework, classwork. So first I'll explain once. Okay, once come to the point. Okay, children, what we learn in our this lesson, what we learn? Okay, what we learn in our previous classes? Yes, different types of material, properties of material, and which objects will make from this using by this materials. Yes or no, children? Okay, how many types of materials we learn in this lesson? Tell me, children. Yes, 7 types of material we learn in this lesson. Yes or no, children? How many types of material? 7 types of materials we learn in this lesson. What are those? Tell me, children. Yes, what are those, children? 7 materials we learn in this lesson, no? What we learn? What are those? How many types? 7 types. What are those? First one, metal. Okay, metal, wood, rubber, plastic, fabric, glass, and clay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many types of materials we learn in this lesson? Yes, 7 types of material we learn in this lesson. What are those? Metal, wood, rubber, plastic, fabric, glass, and clay. How many are there, children? 7. Okay, how many are there? 7. So for example, metal is there, children. Okay, children. Now first metal, we learn about metal. Okay, children, first what we learn about metal? See, metal used to make so many objects. Okay, we are using metal and we can make so many different objects We can see. You can observe here, see, silver spoon, this is also type of metal. Nail, coin, iron paper clip, safety pin, gold ring, steel ruler, needle, pen. These all are metal. Which material we are using? Yes, metal. We are using metal, and we can make so many different objects in our life. And you can observe your surroundings also. We are using so many different types of objects. That is a made up of metal only. Okay children. Next one, which one? Wood. Next to which one? First, what is material, children? You have idea, no? Yes, substances that are caused to make objects. Okay, substances are used to make objects are called materials. Is that clear, children? Okay, next come to the point. What is that next? Wood. So listen children, here wood. Okay, what is that? Wood. Tell me what is wood, how it will be happen? Yes, wood is used to make several types of furniture. You can observe here so many furnitures are there, no children? Yes, we are using wood and we are making so many different types of object at your home. Not only home, outside also we can, like toys also it will be there, wooden toys, and like windows, doors, beds, so many different types of furniture we are making for made up of only wood. Is that clear, children? Yes. Okay, this is type of a material, that is a wood. So many examples are there. You can write your own also. Okay. Next. See children, next one. What is that next one? Rubber. Yes children, next one, rubber. You can observe here. So rubber is used to make objects that are usually sturdy and can be also stretched. Yes or no children? Daily you are choosing like rubber band. You have idea, no? If you what will happen, it will be stretched. Yes or no? Yes, it is a made up of rubber only. Okay, and eraser, daily you are using, no, eraser, that is also made of a eraser, rubber only. Okay, rubber is used to make objects. So many objects we are making by using rubber. See, tires, erasers, rubber bands, balls, hoses, boots. These all are example of rubber. We are using rubber and making this all different types of objects. Is that clear, children? Okay, next one. Next you can observe here, children, fabric. What is that? Fabric. So see children, fabric is also common name of material. Okay children, fabric is the common name of materials. And one more thing, see, we can use clothes, no children, different types of materials, and clothes, towels, napkins, curtains, these all are made of a fabric only. So you can observe here so many different types of objects are there. These all made of a with the fabric only. Okay children. Next one, next material. Next material, children. Yes, plastic. You can see here so many. What is that? Plastic. Plastic are used to make so many objects, useful objects, like toys, bags, plates, cups, water bottles, baskets, stands. So many different types of objects you can see here. Dustbins. So many different types of we are making by using by plastic. Is that clear, children? This is also one type of material. Next, children, you can observe here. Yes, this is clay. Okay, clay can be heated by molded to make the different useful objects. Yes, we are using some heat, and we can it will be melt, and we can making different useful objects like flower vases, pots, and like tiles. You have an idea, no children? Yes, for flooring we are using at home. These all are made up of with the clay only. Okay children. Next one more material is there, no? What is that? Tell me children, what is that material? Yes, what is that material children? Glass. What is that? Glass. Glass also can be used to make different variety of objects we can make with using by glass. You can see here, so only like oil bottles, glass, glasses, and decorative lights, conical flask, like it will be there in laboratories, and test tubes, glass rods, it will be, and spatula. So many different types of objects are made up with a glass only. So many different types of varieties of objects you can make using by glass, and mirror also. These all are example of a glass. So how many types of materials we learn in this lesson? 7 types of materials we learn in this lesson. Yes children, properties of types of materials over. Now let us, we have to learn about the properties of material. What we have to learn? Properties of material. Okay, what we have to learn? Properties of material. See, we are so many types, like how many types we learn? See, different types of hard, soft, okay, and rigid, elastic, okay, flexible. So more there, I will explain later. See, hard. Hard means, what is hard? Yes, it is a, like we cannot scratch easily. Understand children? This material we cannot scratch easily, and it is a very hard. Example, like flower vases, gold, like jewelry, rings, these all. So we cannot scratch easily. Understand children? Next, soft. It is a we can scratch easily for this material. Which one are soft? And examples like what is that? Soft, for we can tell cloths also, it is a very soft. Understand? And wooden tables we can scratch easily. These all are soft materials. Next, rigid. Rigid means, rigid also nothing but a strong materials. We are telling to strong material, rigid to strong material means it is a very hard. For example, we are taking one wooden stick, it is a very strong, but we cannot bend easily. Understand children? We cannot bend easily. With if you are trying to bend means, what will happen? It will be break like a two parts. Okay. Next, elastic. So example, you can take a rubber band and you can keep in your finger. What will happen? It will be extend. So and it will be extend, pull. Again what will happen? If you are pulling means, and return there to original shape. Same balloon also, when we are blowing air into the balloon, what will happen? Balloon size it will be increase, again it will be come to the return in their shape. It is a elastic. Okay. Flexible. Flexible means anything, we can bend easily. Understand children? Take iron rod and you can try to bend, it will be easily blend. And some different types of plastic also it will be happen, we can bend easily. Understand children? Okay. Next children, you can observe here. Next, absorbent, non-absorbent. This also properties of material. Non-absorbent and transparent, and opaque. Okay, these are also properties of material. Absorbent. So once you can pour some water children, and you can use the sponge or any cloth, so you can wipe that, what will happen? It will be absorb the water easily. So what is that absorbent? It can absorb easily. So like soak up liquids. Understand children? Materials that can soak up liquids and allow them to pass through inside. Okay, understand children? And sponge or cloths, anything, it will be absorb the liquid too easily. Non-absorbent. So it is a unable to absorb it cannot be absorb the water. For example, raincoat, umbrella, these all are. So if you are when we are using umbrella and raincoat during rainy season. So why we are using, why? Because raincoats non-absorbent material, that's why we are using raincoats. Is that clear, children? Next, transparent. Transparent, see children, in your classrooms also there, windows. You have idea, no? Windows. Easily we can see through it, this material. Understand? Material through we can see clearly. Okay, this is a transparent like glass. Okay, next, opaque. This is the best example, door. So why? Because we cannot see. Okay, through this material we cannot see clearly, we cannot see anything. That is opaque, like metal, clay and wood, rubber. These all are example of opaque. Okay, these are properties of this different types of material. Is that clear, children? Okay, and some different types of material have a like two properties, like for example here you can observe, children, wood have no like wood or clothes you can take fabric. So fabric you can observe, fabric have fabric like properties, you can tell me soft, it is very soft. Yes or no, children? Yes. And opaque depends on that material, and it is a very it is absorbent. Yes or no, children? Yes. So one material had different properties also there. I hope everyone are understand this lesson. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. And one more thing, children, I explain all activities. You have to finish your activities and you can send me in WhatsApp. And today I'll send your notes in WhatsApp. You have to finish your class and you have to write in classwork, and you can send me in WhatsApp. Okay, children? Bye. Have a nice day, children.